What's up, guys? Welcome back to the studio. Today I'm going to be making some shelves, storage shelves for a space that has been totally underutilized in my basement, and I need just to store some stuff that I want to keep, but I don't want cluttering up everywhere, right? So it's going to be super basic, super simple. It's all going to be for less than $100. All right, got to cut some wood. Get yourself miter saw, double bevel miter saw, a circular saw, a chop saw, whatever you got. Cut your wood. You gotta cut it to length. I need 72.5 inches. And I got a nice 4 stack here. Get that nice 70, what did I say? 72.5. All right. Keep these stacked up. Ugh. That looks good. And let me just check to make sure they're all the same length. At this end, all flushy flush. Good enough. Okay, you can't do, as I was saying before, I was rudely cut off by my phone battery saver. You can't cut 4 stacks of wood high on this 12-inch saw. But it was okay because I just lifted those off and then continued to cut down, so it was fine. But I wasn't able to make the cut all the way through. The handle got in the way on the other side. But it's fine. So we'll meet at the job site, or at the site where I'm putting the shelves, and that's where. Well, here we are in the dungeon. I've got one light bulb in here. My battery died on my camera, so I didn't get to film this, but I already started to lay in the first shelf. What I'm gonna do is slap on a level 2x4 on the back that we cut and just go up and do 4 shelves in this space. And I'm using 3-inch construction screws, the cheapest ones you can get, and an impact driver. Yeah, you gotta get an impact driver. If you don't have that, then I don't know what you're doing. The fun thing about impact drivers is, and hard dry wood that's been sitting in your garage for a year, is you break the bit. So yeah, that's okay. I'll get another one. I've got like 50 of them. I mean, who doesn't? Well, my battery died. It's only 2 amp hours, so dies kind of a lot. Broke a couple screws. Haven't broken the drill bit yet, so that's good. But yeah, that one piece of wood was super hard, and I broke 2 screws into it because they're cheap garbage screws. But it's coming along. I hope my measurements are right. I'll have to do a little test here. Let's see. Oh yeah. Cool. Let's keep on going. Let me get new battery. Okay, so I got another battery, and I decided I wanted to put a stud right here just to support this kind of floating wood. So I got a stud cut, all installed out, just toenail it in with the screws. Good thing about using screws is if you make a mistake, you can just undo pretty easily. Nails, you can do that too, it's just a lot more work. So, I mean, you make mistakes sometimes, it's okay, it's okay. So, finish doing that, and then continue onward, and then I'll do this side. Apparently I measured wrong somewhere. So I have an extra 1/4 inch of space in between these two shelves, but whatever. It's fine. They're just shelves. Doesn't have to be perfect. So now I'm gonna clamp the front facing 2x4s with this Irwin Quick Grip giant clamp that I borrowed from my neighbor. If you ever need tools, just borrow them from your neighbor, and you don't have to buy them. It's great. So I'll do this top one here first, see if this even works. This might not. I don't know if this will reach actually. So, oh, perfect. It's exactly bigger. It's like probably, 24 inches exactly. So this will help hold it in place, so I don't have to sit here finagling it or need a second person. Oh yeah, look at that. Neighbors are great. While it holds it in place, I can just send it. Beautiful, baby. So now we can just slide in some, just set on top of here, some particle board, 2 feet by whatever this is. I think it's 72.5 inches. And you got shelves. The hardware store didn't have any in stock, so that was kind of annoying, so I'll have to go find some. So I'll get to doing the rest of these faces, and then I'll have to go find some particle board. Let's do it. All right, it's a new day. I got some shelves. We're gonna put them up here and finish this project. It'll be pretty easy, I imagine. Unless these aren't exactly 4 feet like they say they are. Set this on here. Well, that's not square. That's okay. I mean, this structure was built just to hold up the concrete when they poured it for the porch, and now it's just kind of there. Don't really expect it to be square. So let's measure this. Okay, these are actually 49 inches long, not 48 inches, which is still fine. I just have to, when I cut these sections, the last little bit, I'll just measure, should all be the same, and then cut those down in the garage. To secure it down, I just have this little countersink bit just to make it a little bit nice. It's not level, but it's gonna have countersunk screws. Using 1¼ screws, just gonna throw a couple in just to secure it in place, and then boom, 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 boom. Repeatability, you got shelves. Easy peasy for less than $100. There she is, all done. If that middle shelf doesn't look level, it's because it's not. And neither is that one. But does it matter? No, because it's just gonna hold some stuff. It's fine. Looks okay still, I think. Now I just gotta put some stuff on here. Well, I only broke 2 screws securing these shelves. Anyway, there it is. There it is. There's some shelves. thank you guys so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, comment down below any questions you have, anything that I missed. And thank you so much for supporting us by watching our videos. See ya next time. Now let's build another one.